Hello riders, welcome to our Altcoin Spotlight section. What we do here is find altcoins that look very promising and that are almost about to have a bullish breakout for the long term. But before we go see those 5 altcoins today, if you like content like this and like to stay informed with the latest trends, tips and strategies for trading crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So now let's go see those altcoins. So the first one and the most important one is Ethereum. So what I'm going to do first is enable our trend rider indicators and take a look at this chart. We now are printing a bull signal that is pending confirmation until this Sunday on the weekly chart for Ethereum. The last time this happened, it was a strong bull signal here, which has a little correction and then went all the way up to almost 5,000. But most importantly, the one before confirmed at around 300 and went all the way up to 4,000. So this bull signal on the weekly is a very important signal to pay attention. Also, what I'm looking for Ethereum and all these coins is for the price to be above this yellow band right here, which is our divider band, and ideally already had a test. You can see here it went above, it went down, test this support band here, and it bounced. So this is ideally a bullish move. So this is the second thing I'm looking at, a bull signal trading above this divider band. And also something very interesting in Ethereum is that if you see on our oscillator, and let me uncheck all these sub indicators, but what I'm going to show you here is what is doing our oscillator line. You can see all the bull market for Ethereum, the oscillator was green, then it flipped red, we had a fake out here, and it's just about to flip green again. So there is a lot of convergence at this point right here around 1800 for Ethereum. So once Ethereum breaks this resistance, I believe it can go all the way up to 3000 eventually, with some upside downs on the weekly time frame as we get there. So that's Ethereum. The second coin I'm looking at is ADA. So ADA has a very similar chart to Ethereum, and it's right now above our divider band, but it is slightly below this resistance line here at 42 cents. So what we need for ADA is to secure a close above this red line here, and I believe then it will be ready to go to test the next resistance around 58 cents, and then it has green light to go all the way up to test the previous all-time high, or at least test that 77 cents mark. The money flow started to curve up for ADA, but it seems that it still has a little bit room to go. So for ADA, I am waiting for this resistance to be broken to add to my positions. So the next one I'm looking at is DOT. DOT is currently under a bullish signal trend. It is trading, right now is slightly above our divider band, very similar chart to Ethereum, and it's now practically waiting to see what Ethereum does in order to pump. And I believe that when Ethereum starts pumping, DOT will move very fast to at least $9.4, which would be right up above our rider band. I believe this could happen on the following weeks if Ethereum breaks bullish. So the next coin, and this is a very little one and less known, is Chromium, which is a metaverse coin. Very similar charts, very similar chart to DOT. It actually already printed a green M signal, which is a bullish signal on the short term, and is now trading above the divider band. And I believe this is also have potential to go very fast to almost 21 cents if Ethereum confirms that bull signal on the weekly time frame. Rune, which is an altcoin that pumped very heavily together with Luna back at those times, and is now, this one is trading below divider band, so it's not ready to go. However, you can see how clearly the money flow line on our oscillator is starting to go up. So I'm not buying room right now, but when this starts getting close or flips to green, this coin have a massive potential of 14x until it reaches its previous all-time high. So definitely on my watch list. Okay, so the final one is Link. And what I like about Link is for how long it has been moving sideways. You can see on the chart, it's been moving sideways almost in May 22. And now it's almost at the same price than back then. So right now it's not bullish, but it is trading above the divider band. So what I'm gonna do with Link is having that one on my watch list, and when altcoins start pumping, especially Ethereum, I will definitely buy some Link because I believe it can move very fast from the actual price to around $10, just above this rider band and this resistance here. So this is it for today's, guys. Remember, this is a weekly chart analysis, not meant for leverage positions, rather for a spot position, thinking about the mid-long term. And if you like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We will be recording and uploading videos like this on a weekly basis, along with all of our other videos about trading analysis and trading tutorials. So have a very profitable week.